welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this crypto report, we're going to be talking about why Bitcoin is sad and depressed. But first, make sure you subscribe to your favorite channel on YouTube. Shout out to all the subscribers. Okay, I want to jump over to a tweet where I was talking about what's happening right now. I asked the geniuses on Twitter, because obviously people on Twitter know everything. So I asked them, why is Bitcoin sad and depressed right now? And so I also asked you on YouTube, the wealth of infinite knowledge, right? Why? Is it because it's September? And this is just expected because of the fact that September traditionally is down for crypto? Is it because stocks are down? Is it because right now the stocks are down? I'm going to show you in a second. Or is it jealousy? Is it because the altcoins keep hitting all-time highs and Bitcoin just has to pull back the reins on the market to just kind of get the altcoins to simmer down? Simmer down. In other words, could it really be envy? Memes are how we communicate. Is this an image of Bitcoin enviously watching altcoins hit all-time highs like a bass drum? What will envy drive someone to do? So post if you find this tweet. You can answer this. You can answer this poll or post in the comments on this video. It could be envy. It definitely could be envy, because you got to look at Bitcoin and you got to understand that Bitcoin could be very envious. What happened here? Something went wrong. Right? Here we go. Is this Bitcoin? Is this Bitcoin right here? Watching the altcoins like Solana and Luna blow up. Is that Bitcoin? Is that Bitcoin's posture? Is Bitcoin saying, well, listen, I'll just crash this party. I'm not having any fun. Post in the comments. I'm going to propose that it is the option number 2. I think it's option number 2. Let me explain. I think the reason why Bitcoin is flat basically for over the last month, down substantially over the last week, down almost 10%, small little rebound in the last day, and about a point up in the last hour. Why has the performance been so poor, especially compared to alts? The answer is because the stock market has been down. Here's TradingView, the most complicated view possible. And I want to show you a little bit if the view is still there. It's not there now. All right, let's jump over to, I'll show you the other view from Yahoo Finance, which is a very simple view. This is the Dow Jones, the simplest understanding of the stock market. So in the last month, down. In the last 5 days, it's been down. And so the same thing for Bitcoin. In the last month, it's been 5 days down. So let's look at the last week for Bitcoin. Down about 9%. Nasdaq's been down. It doesn't give me the percentage here, but it's been down substantially as well. In the last week, it was up as high as 35,314. Now it's down to 34,610. So my explanation here is that there's obviously more money right now in the stock market than there is in crypto. The crypto market is less than 2 trillion. The stock market, what is the size of the stock market? Let's just verify real quick. Size of US stock. Can I type? We know that the crypto market is less than 2 trillion. The total value is 95 trillion. That was a little suspenseful reveal, right? 95 trillion. I had to move my big head. 95 trillion compared to less than 2 trillion. So all of the money is in the stock market, and what they do is they basically look at crypto as the most volatile, risky stocks. So when the market starts going down, traders are going to dump those shares. They're going to dump those shares when the stocks go down so that they can buy what they would view as the higher quality stocks at a lower price. Does that make sense? Just like people in crypto, when Bitcoin goes down, they will sell their altcoins and buy Bitcoin at a lower price. Does this make sense, or am I confusing this concept even more for you? So when you see the Dow Jones starting to dip, expect Bitcoin to dip as well. If you see the Dow Jones crash, as it did in last March, here it is. There's March of 2020 where it crashed. When you saw that crash, you saw the same crash in crypto. See if I can find that. There's the crash of March. Oh, where's the July? April, here it is. March. So it crashed there in March, down to $6,000. And then it took off. So there is a correlation for sure. There has been a correlation. There is a correlation. So what is the opportunity? Well, the opportunity is because things are down. We understand the Federal Reserve is going to create more dollars. Those dollars will ultimately find their way into the stock market, which will increase prices. And when it increases prices, that money is also going to work its way into crypto, because crypto is that sexy, attractive, super volatile and risky investment that degenerate traders are going to keep going in when they get a little bit of positive momentum with their other stock investments. So that's really how you should look at this. No, this is not investment advice, but I will tell you to not swim against the stream. Whichever way the stock market is going, crypto is going to go that way. It's been that way now. It may change in the future, but this is the way it has been. At this point in time, I want to thank you for liking this video. Shout out to you. If you didn't like this video, make sure you check out all my other videos, daily crypto reports. And I also started doing some of the shorter videos, whatever they call them. I started doing some of those. So check out all my other videos. You'll definitely find one you like. But if you watched all of the videos and you don't like none, then just share every video you watched with somebody who will. Until tomorrow, 1.